This is the logic AND gate animation by using SCADA. Here we develop a logic AND gate by using wizards and toolbars. This is the electronic circuit of logic AND gate. This is the symbol of logic AND gate. This is the truth table of logic AND gate. Logic AND gate contain two inputs and one output, that is switch 1 and switch 2. Output is light. Assign the tag names of switches and light. Tag name of switch 1 is SW1. Tag name of switch 2 is SW2. Tag name of light is LI. Here we are not using any controller. The application can be developed only scripts. Go to scripts. On show. Initially SW1 equal to 0, SW2 equal to 0, LI equal to 0. Click on validate for checking errors. Then while showing. In while showing, SW1 double equal to 1 and SW2 double equal to 1, then LI equal to 1, else LI equal to 0 and if. Again click on validate for checking errors. Then OK. Go to runtime. Here window viewer window will be appear. In window viewer window, the output will be displayed. In logic AND gate, when two switches high, the output will be on. Two switches on, switch 1 is on and switch 2 is on, the output will be on, that is light is on. When two switches low, the output will be off. When any one of the switch is low, the output will be off.